So creating an estimate on the mobile app is really simple. One of the ways you can do it is by clicking on the little blue avatar. It'll pop up your Eano agent. There's a button to write a new estimate, and then you can just start typing in the scope of what your project entails. In this case, it's a kitchen remodel. I can specify countertops, cabinets, appliances, the size of the space, and see what it comes back with. After processing, you can click See Details, and this is just a rough swipe of the types of line items and categories it came up with. You can confirm, and it'll send it to a new opportunity created inside the platform. Set the address. You can set the client name and info. In this case, I'm using a contact that was already in there. So we're back at our main quote, and we can click on kitchen remodel, and that opens up the estimate. You can add a photo, use your camera if you had an on-site visit. You can edit the quantities, you can edit the price. In this example for appliances, I'm gonna say, 2,000 an appliance. We've got 3 appliances. It's going to be more like $6,000. And now if I want to add a new group, I can add a new group there and say this is for miscellaneous. Everyone buckets this differently. Where to put the dumpster and the honey bucket. So I added the group. Let's scroll down. And now when I tap on the group line, there are my line items. First one's miscellaneous. It's just a placeholder. I'll put my dumpster here and give it a price. And you can break down the price, or you can keep it like a lump sum. So it's up to you and how you like to estimate. Next, I'll add the honey bucket. All right, so I created that group and those line items. So the next thing we'll go over are the milestones. And these are your milestones. This is how you'll get paid. It's almost like the payment schedule against the scope that you have outlined. You can edit those, make some changes. Pretty straightforward. Okay, once we're ready to send it, we can go ahead and review it, give it one last look. We've got categories, we've got line items, our milestones, and then our contract. This is a peek at the contract, and here's a preview of the notifications that your client will get. And we'll just send the estimate. And it's all very simple. Give it a shot. Thanks for watching.